Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ignore my oily face. But today I am going to be unboxing my ring light. My first ring light. I got this on Amazon for only $28. So yeah, let's unbox it and see if it works. So this is what my box looks like. If my floor looks dirty, it is dirty. I need to sweep right now, but I wanted to open this first. So here is my ring light. So I'm guessing this is a little tripod. Ta-da! Here is my ring light. Ring light with tripod stand and cell phone holder, user manual. So here is everything. It comes with a ring light. It comes with a phone holder. So let's set it up. It has these and it's adjustable so I can make it taller, but for the sake of the video I'm only going to have it short. So it comes with this little control here. So let's turn it on. Cool. It's really bright. I'm going to try to lower it. Oh, that's cool. Now I'm going to press the one with the arrows. Cool. That's a yellow light.
That is so nice. I'm super excited.
Oh, and there's like a blue light. So there's blue, white, yellow. That is so cool. If you guys are interested in this ring light, I'm going to put the link in the description box. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys!